guys, this is Melanie Daly, your back pain personal trainer. This exercise is called the 90-90. It's great for hip mobility. It's really great to kind of assess where you're at with your hip mobility and to also work on it. So I'll show you a couple variations. So you're gonna start seated on the ground with your feet kind of out in front of you at 45-degree angles. The feet are gonna stay anchored. Your knees are bent. You're just kind of sitting on your bottom. Now again, the feet stay anchored and we're going to be pivoting our knees, dropping them down to the side. So now you can see here there's sort of this triangle with my legs and feet. I'm going to anchor those feet, drop the knees to the other side. So I am shifting on my bottom. It's really hard to complete the movement if you try to stay seated fully on your bottom. So I do shift. Now I'm sitting on this other glute. So just remember that there is sort of a weight shift on your bottom. And you're just dropping those knees from side to side. So that's just sort of a warm up, get those hips loosened up, a great place if you're really tight to work on. And then you're gonna be here and I'm gonna have you work on one leg at a time. This one, it's in internal rotation, it's dropped down towards the ground. And without use your hands, but you can for support in the beginning, you're gonna try to lift this leg, foot and knee, staying as upright as possible. So it's it's easier if you just sort of roll over and lift that leg, but staying upright, using that core and using strength in that end range of motion with your hip is difficult. So see, I'm just kind of hovering an inch, 2 or 3 off the ground, holding for a couple seconds, back down, trying to stay as upright as possible. Now you can do the same thing with this leg. It's a little bit tougher. Well, depends on the person actually. For me, it's a little bit tougher. So see a little bit of movement there. Hard to get this foot up. So just lifting a couple inches off the ground. Again, you can use your hands at first, but try not to, and you're staying as upright as possible. And then you can flip over to the other side. Again, get that triangle here and do the same thing. So you'll lift here with as little movement in the core as possible. Use the hands to steady yourself in the beginning if you want. Just hovering off the ground. And same thing with this leg too. All right, so there you have it, hip 90-90. Thanks.